There we go, guys. We're actually receiving our coins balance for free. Hey, yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how is everyone getting free Pocket FM coins, and I will show you the way without downloading any Mod APKs or any software. It's all online, and I will show you everything step by step how you can get coins online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on Pocket FM. So guys, there we will have to enter our username. So I will enter mine. It's downtown99. You enter yours. You just click continue. So it should search for our user account. So guys, you should get this message: user found. Nice. So now we will have to select our desired amount of our coins. So I will select almost 1 million. It's currently the maximum. So guys, third step will load up and our API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So yeah, and now there we go, guys. API is connected. Nice. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Pocket FM coins. So guys, it's one-time verification, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's all free, and guys, it's by your choice. You can complete literally whatever you like. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and Domino Dreams. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instruction. So for Domino Dreams, I will download and install this, then play until I complete chapter 3. And for Travel Town, I will download and install this and then play and complete level 9. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Domino Dreams and Travel Town, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. So it showed that we completed 2 tasks, and now let's see, will we actually get redirected? So let's see together, and I won't skip this video because I want to show you, is it working? Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. We got verification successful. Thank you for pressing the bot check, guys. Our username is connected and our coins are sent. I'm so excited to open our Pocket FM and to see our balance. Does it actually work? So I will click on my store here. Okay, and there we go, guys. We're actually receiving our coins balance for free. Nice. So it works amazing, guys, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.